Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your default search engine from Yandex to Google in Microsoft Edge. If Edge keeps opening Yandex and you'd prefer Google, this will fix it. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge. Now click the three dots in the top right corner and choose Settings. Next, go to the left side menu and click on Privacy Search and Services. Scroll down until you see a section called Address Bar and Search. Click on that. Now you'll see an option that says Search Engine Used in Address Bar. Click the drop-down, and you might see options like Bing, Yandex, or DuckDuckGo. If Google isn't listed, click Manage Search Engines. Here, you'll see all the current search engines saved in Edge. Click Add at the top right. Now type Name, Google keyword, google.com, URL, https, www.google.com, search, %, s-click Add. Once it's added, click the three dots next to Google and choose Make Default. Now go back to the address bar settings and make sure Google is selected. Let's test it out. Open a new tab, type something in the address bar, and hit Enter. As you can see, it now searches using Google. That's it. You've now switched from Yandex to Google in Microsoft Edge. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss future videos. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll help out. Thanks for watching.